Driver Booster is a useful software tool for automatically updating outdated drivers on your computer. It scans your system for drivers that need to be updated, downloads the latest versions from trusted sources, and installs them with a single click. Keeping your drivers up to date is essential for maintaining system stability, improving hardware performance, and fixing bugs or compatibility issues. Driver Booster supports a wide variety of hardware components, such as graphics cards, printers, network adapters, and audio devices. The software's intuitive interface makes it easy to use, even for those who are not technically savvy. In addition to updating drivers, Driver Booster also helps with backing up existing drivers, which can be useful if you need to restore a previous version after an update. The software's free version offers basic driver scanning and updating features, while the Pro version includes additional functionalities, such as automatic updates and priority support. One of the advantages of Driver Booster is its large driver database, which ensures that even less common hardware components are supported. However, some users may find the Pro version's pricing to be a bit high, especially if they don't need all the extra features. Despite this, Driver Booster remains a reliable and efficient tool for users looking to keep their systems running smoothly.